Are you frustrated that it takes time, money, and effort to implement the next big thing in digital marketing? Are you worried that implementing something new will take time away from something else that you're already trying to achieve? Are you tired of trying something new just to find out that it's a waste of time and money? I get worried and frustrated about these things too. And guess what? There's a better way. Have I told you 6 or 5 times already that email is king? Well, let me show you some easy ways to get more opt-in users into your email list so you can make more money with very little effort. Top navigation email opt-in. Okay, almost all websites use a pop-up box asking for an email address. And every time that pop-up box comes up, it gets closed immediately without the user even reading the content. That pop-up is annoying. So, place an email opt-in field in the top navigation of your website instead. This way, your visitors will see it at the top of every page and can choose when they're ready to opt into your list. Once the user enters their email address, the field goes away, or the user can close the field so it doesn't take up so much room in the top navigation. Signature line. During your day, you probably send out a few emails communicating with contractors and businesses, partners, and such. Maybe you send out a dozen or so emails. Well, imagine if you had an opt-in offer at the bottom of your email in the signature line. Now imagine if everyone in your company had the same opt-in offer in their signature line. Now, this would mean hundreds of offers going out to people every day, and these are people that already know and like your products. Partnerships. If customers are subscribed to content that's similar to yours, then they're probably interested in your products too. If you want access to these types of customers, then get these users to opt into your subscriber list by partnering with the company that has that list. Maybe work together on a contest. If you like what you're hearing, click that like button below and leave a comment. Now watch this next video where I show you that social media users are fake. Really fake.